All right, to weave in your tails, you're gonna grab your yarn needle here. And we are going to get the yarn through, thread it on, and we're gonna kind of follow the natural path that this little tail wants to go. So this is the one we just tied off. If you go right through the little V's here, just go through a nice bunch of them. Try not to go through the yarn, like you don't want to split the yarn fibers. Try to stay in between the actual yarn. Try to pull it all the way through, kind of pull it back so it doesn't get too snug, and then skipping the one where it comes out here and going into the next, you weave it back through, just through another few bunch. And it's okay if your tail doesn't quite have enough to make it through there. There, that one was great. I won't even snip that at all. That worked out very well. But it's okay if you do have extra. Once you get it on there, you just give it a nice little snip